Welcome to Itihas Decode, where history's deepest mysteries come to light. Today, we explore 4 incredible unsolved mysteries that have baffled experts for centuries. Ready to uncover the truth? Our first mystery is the legendary lost city of Atlantis. First mentioned by Plato over 2,000 years ago, Atlantis was said to be a highly advanced civilization that vanished beneath the ocean in a single day and night. Over the centuries, many locations have been proposed, from the Mediterranean Sea to the Atlantic Ocean, but none have been confirmed. Some scientists suggest the story might be inspired by the eruption of the island of Thera, which caused massive destruction in ancient times. Was Atlantis real or just a myth? The search continues. Next, we move to Egypt and the Great Pyramids of Giza. These colossal structures, built over 4,500 years ago, still hold secrets about their construction. How did ancient Egyptians move millions of stones with such precision? The pyramids align almost perfectly with the cardinal points, north, south, east, and west, which raises questions about their builders' advanced knowledge. Some theories even suggest lost ancient technologies or extraterrestrial help. Inside the pyramids, hidden chambers and mysterious hieroglyphs hint at secrets waiting to be discovered. Our third mystery takes us to the Voynich Manuscript, a book filled with strange illustrations and written in a language no one has been able to decode for over 600 years. Despite efforts from top cryptographers and linguists, the manuscript's meaning remains a mystery. Recently, AI technology has given new hope in cracking this code. Could the manuscript reveal lost medieval knowledge or secret messages? The Voynich Manuscript continues to puzzle experts and captivates history enthusiasts worldwide. Lastly, the disappearance of the Roanoke colony remains one of America's oldest mysteries. In 1587, over 100 English settlers arrived on Roanoke Island, but when a supply ship returned 3 years later, the entire colony had vanished. The only clue was the word Croatoan carved into a tree. Did the settlers assimilate with local tribes, fall victim to disease, or were they attacked? Archaeologists and DNA researchers continue to investigate, but the true fate of Roanoke remains unknown. These mysteries remind us that history is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. From lost civilizations to cryptic manuscripts, every story challenges our understanding of the past. At Itihas Decode, we're committed to exploring these enigmas and sharing the truth behind the legends. If you enjoyed this journey, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with more amazing history mysteries. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which mystery fascinates you the most? Thank you for watching Itihas Decode. Until next time, keep decoding the past to understand our future.